And today I am at Lala Salama. This is a shop which is owned by one of my friends whose name is Joseph. I was really happy to find out that this guy has a shop, and it was something which kinda amazed me. Not kinda, it really amazed me. Because at our age, I mean, we're still young guys, less than 25. At our age, having a shop as huge as this, it was really something astonishing to me. Why do you think I should make a video with you?
Bertin, tu se prepare in order to promote my business. You want to show what I do to the world.
But that's not the reason why I want to make a video.
For which one?
This is a friend of mine. He studied with my young brother. And the reason why I want to make a video with him is because he inspires me, as I think he should inspire so many other young people.
Joseph is my best friend. My best friend.
How do you feel being in his shop?
Yeah, it's a big pleasure to be here. I feel so good when I hear I'm here.
Can you tell me the things which you have in this shop?
In Lala Salama, all the things about bedroom, bed sheets, a dress night. I have towels. I have a carpet for bedroom. I have perfume, pants, flowers.
What about these purses? I see they look different and they have a brand on it. I don't know.
Of course, TV Mod is a businesswoman in Goma town which do it. So I give her a place to expose. Yeah.
They really look beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Among these things which you have here, how many of them do you make by yourself?
Which are made by local artists. Yeah. There is pants.
Okay.
Yeah, pants. By an artist which his name is Bolton, David Bolton.
Man, I'm too short for her. This really looks so creative.
Yeah. It's made by.
Is it by Bolton also?
No. By a girl which his name is Gabriela Wasi.
So, Mr. Joseph, one thing which maybe I wanted you to know before I finish up this video is that I'm really proud of everything which you made here. You know, we all have ideas of like being an entrepreneur, starting a business. Very few of us start. And you are just the same as me, that anyone can literally do this. So I'm really proud of you for everything which
Thank you.
Thank you. And if there is anyone who is in Goma or who is coming to Goma,
okay,
you should come to Lala Salama and buy stuff for your bedroom.